Next on the Jeff Crilley Show, you're going to meet one of my favorite people on the planet. Jeremy Rosenthal is in the studio. He's a founding partner of Texas defense firm and just a brilliant legal mind and media mind. You're going to hear his story next.
This is the Jeff Crilley Show.
All right, I said in the show open, one of my favorite people on the planet is my next guest, Jeremy Rosenthal. He is just an incredible legal mind and has become a dear friend. He is the founding partner of Texas defense firm. Thanks for coming back on the show.
Jeff, thank you for having me.
Well, it feels like just yesterday. I think as I get older, like the days pass so quickly. And 2 years ago, you were on my show and we were meeting each other for the first time and we became very good friends. And so give a little bit of your background. So you started as a prosecutor and then went over to the defense side, and tell us why that's significant.
You ask really deep questions, Jeff, and ones that are catching me off guard, and but that's fine. Yeah. So I love being in the courtroom. I love representing people. It's cliche, but it's true. Being a defense lawyer gives me the opportunity to exercise a lot of the demons of being an insecure person, to where I get to go and I get to do some pretty cool things. I get to represent people who need help. I get to hold the government accountable. I get to take on some really challenging projects that are very rewarding if you can sort of get to the bottom of them and get it right. And on a good day, I put a few shekels together.
Well, so many attorneys, and there's one on every street corner in Dallas-Fort Worth, so many attorneys never see the inside of a courtroom. And so I want you to spend a little bit of time talking about the value of coming from the prosecution side, so you know how to put a case together, and on the defense side, you know how to take it apart. So your expertise is just, you're kind of a unicorn.
Well, the way I describe trial to my clients is it's a game. I mean, it's not a game, it's a high-stakes game, but it's fundamentally and functionally a game in a lot of different ways. There is a very mechanical strategy to part of it, which you learn as a prosecutor. That is, calling the right witnesses, knowing the rules of evidence, knowing who can come in and establish what types of things, and then persuade a jury with it. And then on the defense side, it's a lot less structured. It's sort of your Einstein versus Mozart. And on the defense side, it's not so much about the mechanics of it as it is sort of really redesigning the mosaics that the prosecutor lays out there to show what you think is the truth and something that is easy for a jury to understand. And there's a lot of psychology there too. I would say also one of the things I really love about being a defense lawyer is the challenge of it. And being a criminal defense lawyer is not a popular thing necessarily. It's the only profession mentioned in the U.S. Constitution, but it's a lot harder to go to the 50-yard line and yell, "Go Eagles," at Texas Stadium or Arlington Stadium than it is to yell, "Go Cowboys." I love that challenge.
Drop the mic. I love it. Great way to end the show. We're also going to leave you with the website, which is texasdefensefirm.com. The great Jeremy Rosenthal. Thanks for coming on the show.
Jeff.
You bet. That's it for now. We'll see you next time.